In a mystical land called Flower Fruit Mountain, there lived a mischievous but lovable monkey named Sun Wukong. He had extraordinary powers and was known as the Monkey King. Sun Wukong was always up to some sort of playful trick, causing chaos wherever he went. The Monkey King possesses an array of incredible powers and abilities that make him a formidable and legendary character in Chinese folklore. Here are some of his most notable abilities. Shape-shifting. Sun Wukong has the power to transform his appearance into any shape or size he desires. He can change into animals, objects, or even other people. This ability allows him to deceive enemies, escape difficult situations, and play tricks on those around him. Immortality. The Monkey King possesses an immortal body, making him immune to aging and most physical harm. His body is incredibly resilient and can regenerate quickly from any injury. Superhuman strength. Sun Wukong possesses immense physical strength. He can lift heavy objects, such as mountains, with ease. His strength enables him to overpower enemies and perform extraordinary feats of might. Cloud bounding. The Monkey King can soar through the air by riding on clouds. With a single leap, he can cover vast distances and travel at incredible speeds. Extending hair. Sun Wukong has the ability to control and manipulate his hair. He can stretch and lengthen his hair to use as a weapon, ensnaring enemies or transforming it into various objects to aid him in his adventures. Summoning clones. The Monkey King can create multiple clones of himself, known as the monkey shadow technique. These clones possess the same powers and abilities as the original, allowing Sun Wukong to confuse and overwhelm his opponents. Immunity to magic and weapons. Sun Wukong is resistant to most magical spells and enchantments. He can also withstand the effects of many weapons, including swords, arrows, and spears. Martial arts mastery. The Monkey King is a skilled martial artist and possesses extensive knowledge of various combat techniques. He is highly agile, acrobatic, and excels in hand-to-hand combat. Magical staff. Sun Wukong wields a magical staff called the Ruyi Jingu Bang. This staff can change its size and weight according to his will. It can extend to incredible lengths or shrink to fit into his ear. The staff is immensely powerful and can be used as a weapon or as a tool to perform miraculous feats. These extraordinary powers and abilities make Sun Wukong a formidable and iconic character in Chinese mythology. His resourcefulness, strength, and mischievous nature contribute to his enduring popularity and make him a beloved figure in stories and legends.